Morning guys.
Morning.
Today we're heading to
Comic Con. Well, it's not really a full Comic Con, but it's COVID Comic Con.
it's like, what are they calling it? Toy fair?
Toy and comic market.
Aye. Listen, Natalie's going to have a stall there and I'm going to just piggyback off that and put some of my pops on it. So
get started.
I know. I mean, I was going to say hopefully see you all down there. Well, do you know what? See the people that we do see down there? Hiya! Because this will go out tomorrow and the Comic Con's today on the Saturday. What's today's date?
It's the 21st.
21st?
24th?
24th? I don't know, it's some Saturday in July. Anyway, also, Natalie's got some good news to tell you.
So a lot of you might not know, but some of you I do know, I've been doing Open University for the last 6 years, doing a degree in forensic psychology, and on Tuesday I got my results in and I passed. I've graduated, I've got a degree.
Aye. So now I can just chill out and be a house boyfriend, house fiance. I don't know, one of the ones anyway. Aye, so that was good news Natalie got, and other good news.
We're gonna have another niece in like 2 weeks.
Aye, I know man, it's crazy.
A wee surprise baby shower on Saturday for Jenna, and the days are going in so fast. I bet she can't wait to get that wee baby out in this heat.
Aye, that wee baby panda. Or, know what we're calling it? A baby
Care Bear.
Care Bear, aye, because it's going to be a girl, so that'll be cool. We're hopefully going to do some vlogs on like updating on some Disney stuff and that. Maybe just like, I mean, I don't know what we're going to call them. They'll be like home vlogs, but we'll do some news stuff, just things we're into and that. To be honest, Natalie's been chomping at the bit to do it, for weeks, and I'm just like dragging my heels. So we'll get that done.
There's just so much stuff to talk about.
I know. All the TV shows and that. Hope you guys have been watching all them. They've been brilliant.
We've got What If starting soon on the 11th of August.
The cartoon. So we get going and we'll meet them down there then.
Let's go get set up.
Let's get set up. So that's Natalie all set up and she can now chill out. She was stressing that I'll just show you our stuff.
And the mugs. So we're beside them.
I think you're going to have a problem with that all day.
It's because of the wind. Look at her backdrop though.
It's pretty cool. Start doing all these magnets. Don't tell her, but I'm going to steal this one.
You're not. And then see these 4 down there.
Cool.
Yeah.
Have a great day.
Thank you.
What we'll do is we'll go and show you the rest of the stuff later on once everybody's all set up. Looks as if it's going to be a cracking wee day. So I just wanted to show you some of the food options that were available here. We've got a wee farm barbecue, we've got some bubble waffle, we've got a dessert bar, it looks dynamite. We've got loaded fries, that looks cool. This wee place here actually looks like a flowery, or whatever you call that. We've got 2 Spider-Men here and look, we've got R2-D2. How amazing is that? Okay, is it Johnny V5, is it? Johnny 5?
Johnny 5, I think.
Yeah, guy for short circuit here.
Everybody's like that, he's like Johnny 5.
Johnny 5, aye. Yeah, it's cool. Look at this cool thing, it looks as if it's for Robot Wars. Is it for Robot Wars? Is that here?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool then. Oh, is it a replica? Imagine that chasing you down the street. Wow. We're just taking a wee, well I say taking a break, I'm taking a break, Natalie's still on the stall and we've got the troops here. Say hello.
Hello.
You're not saying hello, Olivia? Nah, she's not saying, she's not want to say hello. We'll get these troops here. Hello.
Oh, wow.
Ayla, Who are we going to meet the now?
No, brother.
Look, there he is over there. Let's go see him. He's going to be your pal. Oh, he's awesome, isn't he?
Love you. We're all useful. Thank you very much. Thank you all very much.
It's called a muff. He's quality, isn't he? There you go. Did you enjoy it? Yeah. He's cool, isn't he? There you go. Right, stand and get a photo with him. Thank you. That's you. Cool. That's you. Thank you. Oh, did you like that?